The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at an issue that arises for some of us when we come to edit our channel name or the description for our YouTube channel. And it could be that you've made the change and the change is not reflected when you then refresh the page, or other people cannot see the changes that you've made. Now, there are two reasons for that. The most obvious reason is that it takes a little time for YouTube to catch up because there are millions and millions of users, and once the caches have cleared and you are using a refreshed browser, you should be able to see the changes. But if that doesn't happen, there could be another reason, and it is related to language settings. Now, this YouTube channel is in English, and I am viewing it in English. So when you're actually at YouTube, let me just click on the top right-hand side here. You will see that I have the option to change the language. So I'm going to change it, just as an example, from British English to, let's say, German. And you will see that the name has changed to Testkanal and my description has changed into German. Now, the reason for that is that I have actually set a German translation for this particular YouTube channel, and I'll show you where I've done that. But before I do that, I'm actually going to change it back to English because at the end of the day, it's going to be difficult for us to follow in a different language. Right, so I'm now back in the English format, and as you can see, my channel name has updated again to the English version and my description is in English again. So now I'm going to click at the top right hand side. I'm going to select YouTube Studio. And here I'm going to scroll down on the left hand side until I see customization. Click on that. And here we're going to scroll down until we get to languages. And that is because if you are offering translations for your YouTube channel, let's say you are a German user and you are translating from German into English or from any language into another language, then the problem is that people viewing it in that other language will continue to see the old information unless you delete the translation and then refresh that. Okay, so the way to do it here is, as you can see in my example, I have an English description and an English name, but I have chosen to translate the channel name and the description. So I'm going to click on the bin here, remove this translation, and done. The final step then is to publish this change. And there we are. I now have only an English description, and anybody, regardless of what language translation they're using, will see this English updated description. If you then want to retranslate it into whatever language, you can just simply add language and go through the process again. Original language, English, choose your other language. And in my case, that would be, let's say, again, German. And I can then enter the updated channel name and channel description. I'll share the official Help Center article with you. That's this one here, and I'll give you the URL in the video description below. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.